watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very beneficial for all of you. Why? Because in this class I am just going to tell you, look at how to speak English like Hindi. What is today's topic? How to speak English like Hindi. When we talk about Hindi language, so we don't have any problem to speak out in Hindi because we are very aware of our own language. If I tell you about Hindi language, so you can speak Hindi very easily, isn't it? You can speak, but when it comes to English language, so mostly people fail to speak out. Mostly people fail to speak out. So what are the reasons behind of this? I will tell you today. And if you want to speak English like native English speaker, so please stay tuned in this class because I will not take your too much time. I will not take your too much time. I will tell you in short how to speak English like Hindi. Listen, I have made here 2 points. I have made here 2 points which will help you to speak in English like Hindi. Okay, what is the first point? Be relaxed. If you want to speak in English, first of all, you should keep your body light. It means you should be relaxed. There should not be any kind of stress. In your mind, there should not be any kinds of thoughts, like negative thoughts, while speaking in English. If you have learned each and everything about English, yet you are not able to speak in English, so you should use this method. Firstly, be relaxed. Don't think anything negatively. Think everything as a positive way. Okay, so it will help you to speak fluent English and you will speak like a native English speaker. It's my own experience. So first of all, keep your body light and speak out whatever you want to speak. Don't fear to commit mistake. Don't think that you are speaking right or wrong. Don't think like this. Just be relaxed and speak out. It is the most important point to speak in English. Let's move on. Second point, be confident. It is also one of the best tools to speak in English. You know, mostly person know very well about English. I have seen many person, they are very expert in English, like in writing skill, reading skill and listening skill. They are very expert. But when it comes to speak in English, so they are not able to represent their self. Why? Because they are lack of confidence. So I want to tell you, be confident while speaking in English. You know, when we speak in Hindi, so we don't fear to speak in Hindi. You know, we speak Hindi naturally. You know, so similarly, you should be confident and you should speak English naturally. Whatever your technique, you should not adopt other technique to speak out. You should adopt your own technique while speaking English. So I mean to say, be confident. What other people think about you, don't think. You just speak out whatever you want. So be confident, don't fear. Okay, because if you speak broken English, so will there be any punishment for you? Because you are a learner. You know, you are learning now, so you are a learner. So every learner commit mistake. Okay, so think like this and be confident. And where to speak, wherever you get chance to speak in English, so just speak out and be confident. Where you can speak in your school. Okay, you can talk with your teachers. You can communicate in social media. Okay, in English. So I want to tell you, first of all, you should be relaxed. Okay, like internally you should not be stressed. You should you should not have any kind of like difficulty internally. Okay, then externally you will automatically speak very nicely. Okay, the first point is this: while speaking in English, be relaxed. Okay, don't compare with others when you speak in English. So mostly people compare that he is a nice guy, his speaking is so nice, wonderful, he speaks very fluently, and he has good fluency in communication. Mostly person think like this. Okay, but we don't need to compare ourselves with others, because they, the person who speak very nicely, they have worked on English, that's why they can speak very fluently. Okay, as soon as you will be expert, so you can also speak like them. Okay, so it's a language. Speak English like a language, don't speak like a subject. Okay, if I tell you difference, between language and subject, so there is too much difference. Do you know, language comes from nature, ठीक ना, language comes from naturally. You know, we speak in Hindi, so there is no any problem. Okay, the way we like, we can speak in Hindi. Similarly, the way you like, you can speak in English. Okay, but you should follow both these techniques. First of all, be relaxed while speaking, and the second one is be confident. If you take these things, if you take in these things, so I can guarantee you, you can speak very smoothly, and you will not be afraid while speaking. Okay, I know it will take some time, because the more you practice, the more you learn. If you practice both the techniques continuously, then once you will speak very nice. Okay, and don't think about perfection. Don't think that you should be perfect in communication. Don't think, because nobody perfects in anything. Okay, everybody has some lateness. Okay, everybody has some scarcity. Okay, so think about both the things, be relaxed and be confident. Then after some days, gradually you will find very much change in your communication, and you can also speak English like Hindi. Okay, like I am speaking at this time, so how I am speaking, I am just relaxed and confident, so I am speaking before all of you in English communication. Are you getting? So after having knowledge, if you have learned each and every portion of English, but you are having difficulty in speaking, so it can also be removed. Every problem has a solution. Every problem has a solution. So you should go through this solution. You should go through both these solutions. Okay, through both these solutions you can go through, and you will find very much change in your life. Okay, so I hope you must have understood. So English speaking is not a rocket science, it's an easy task. Okay, and like I am explaining at this time, so I am not using too much difficult word meanings. While teaching here, while explaining, I don't use very effective words in my communication. I always use simple vocabulary. I always use simple word meanings while explaining to others. So what is the benefit of my communication? Everybody can understand very easily. So it's called communication. There is no communication game. Okay, I don't use very difficult word, and I don't be hyper while speaking. Okay, so similarly you can do it. Okay, so I hope you must have understood. And if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Jai Hind.